Now guys, the link is at the level crossing and Shane, Andrew, Joe, Spike and Luke.
Joe, Shane, Andrew, Onlinefrog and Spike, and Luke Co. And Simba. Thank you, and no one. I love it. You see his wheel? What is that? Too close to you. What the fuck? I see him. There we go, the time is 14:44.
And it's now time to get 14:46, 2 Tango 48, Eastman Straight Service from Grimsby Town to Newark Northgate.
Eastman Straight Service from Grimsby Town to Newark Northgate.
I took off the top label.
No, can you film it?
That's blank, yes,
Yes.
You know that bike that went before those two others? Did you see his curb slip on his bike wheel, slip on the curb?
He should have slipped.
He could have,
He should.
He could have gone over that bus.
Change your cut to shot.
He could have gone over that side again.
I like flicking the cord for some reason.
Leave the cord.
Leave the cord alone.
Nice point.
What did the cord do to you?
30 seconds.
It's a nice point. Not really.
My family always pick the right time.
How many times how much you want to pay tomorrow? The prison's open.
Hello? I'm at Lincoln. I won't be home till about gone 4. I won't be home till about gone 4. I won't be home until about gone 4. Gone 4. Dad, I'm in the middle of a video.
Well,
That's the Hurricane and Spitfire.
Yeah, that's
the video.
Nice reference. I think Era 3. Era 3.
Yes.
Not actually, it's the wrong way for Sleaford.
Gone 4.
Correct.
I will let I'm in the middle of the video, Dad.
153. 308.
153 308.
308.
308, 153 1 to Newark Northgate, and
Got to show it back to Peterborough, they have.
After Newark, I think it is.
Yeah, it's got the Peterborough run after again.
Oh, what? There's more of those signs there.
Now rip that part off. Here we go. They go.
here comes Summit.
They're back again. Spike.
They used to like the boat.